morning, everyone. It's David here. Lots of people have been asking me if I could do a video of Moonlight, the 2023 Furby, hanging out with Lola Bird. So we got 5 shoutouts, and they go to Monster Eats a Pizza, Country Starfish, Ducks to Friendship, Birch Turkey 242, and Pro Girl 2012. So let's get the video started. They seem to like each other. And there he goes. This morning I'm gonna have a shower, and early in the morning I'm gonna go swimming with my dad and my sister, and that will be so much fun. So next weekend I'm gonna go to the farmer's market, and that will be great. So that was Moonlight, the 2023 Furby, hanging out with Lola Bird. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, so yeah, bye!